Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. My name is YASSER bin Yahya, student number 2025158047 from ICT602 Group B. Today, I will be demonstrating my mobile application. So my Android application is called Zakat Hub, which is a Zakat Gold calculator. Zakat Hub is an Android mobile application designed to help Muslims easily and accurately calculate obligations on gold. Built using Android Studio with Java, the app provides a simple and intuitive interface that guides users through the Zakat calculation process based on Islamic guidelines. Before I begin, I would like to mention that I do not own a physical Android device. Therefore, I am using the Android emulator built into Android Studio to demonstrate my application. The emulator simulates a real Android phone on my laptop, so all the features and functions you will see work exactly the same as on a real device. Now let me begin the demonstration. So starting with the inputs, my application has 3 inputs as required. The first input is the gold weight. Here I can enter the weight of my gold in grams. So for example, I will enter 100 grams. The second input is the gold type using radio buttons. I have 2 options here. Keep gold, which has a nisab of 85 grams, and also wear gold, which has a nisab of 200 grams. I will select keep gold. The third input is the gold price per gram. Here I enter the current market price of gold in Ringgit Malaysia. So for example, RM 520 Ringgit per gram. So all 3 inputs are filled in, as you can see: gold weight, gold type, and also gold price per gram. Now let me press calculate zakat. So if you scroll down below, you can see 3 different outputs. The first output is the zakat payable amount. This shows the value of gold that is subject to zakat. It is calculated by subtracting the nisab from my gold weight, then multiplying by the gold price per gram. As you can see, 100 grams minus 85 grams nisab equals 15 grams. Multiply it by 520 ringgit gives us a total zakat payable amount of 7,800 ringgit. The second output is the total zakat. This is the final amount of zakat I need to pay. It is calculated at 2.5% of the zakat payable amount. So 2.5% of 7,800 ringgit gives us a total zakat of RM 195. I also display the total gold value, which shows the overall value of all the gold entered. This is calculated by multiplying the full gold weight by the price per gram. So 100 grams multiplied by 520 ringgit gives us a total gold value of 52,000 ringgit. This helps users understand the full worth of their gold before zakat is applied. So all 3 results are displayed clearly after pressing the calculate button, making it easy for users to understand exactly how their zakat is calculated. Now let me demonstrate with wear gold. I will change the gold type to wear gold, which has a higher nisab of 200 grams. I will keep the same weight of 100 grams and the same price of 520 ringgit. So I press calculate. So as you can see, since my gold weight of 100 grams is below the nisab of 200 grams for wear gold, the app shows a notice saying your gold is below the nisab threshold. No zakat is required. This shows that my app correctly handles both gold types and automatically checks the nisab threshold based on the selected gold types. Now, let me show you the customizations in my application. First, the theme. As you can see, I have applied a custom emerald green color scheme throughout the entire app. The color is consistent across buttons, labels, borders, and also input fields. Second, the title bar. As you can see at the top, the action bar displays the title Zakat Hub in black text on the emerald green background. I also have a share button. So when I click the share button here, I can copy the link. It has been copied to my clipboard and can share it to my friends, my colleagues, or other people. And a menu button in the action bar. Third, the icons. I have customized the application icon with a unique design that represents the app. You can see the icon displayed on the about page. So this is my icon here, and also, so if we, for example, uh, go here, we can see also the icon of my Zakat Hub here. All these customizations give the app a professional and consistent look and feel. Next, let me show you the about page just now. I can access it by tapping the menu button at the top right here and selecting about. Here you can see all my personal details, my full name, YASSER YAHYA, my student number 2025158047, my group ICT602, group B, and also my program code, which is RCDCS 251. You can also see the app name and version at the top. So Zakat Hub version 1.0 ICT602. Most importantly, here is the clickable URL, which links to my GitHub repository. When I tap on it, it opens the link directly in the browser. This is my source code repository for this project. I can also go back to the main screen for this project. So this is the source code repository for this project. So we can go back to the about page. I can also go back to the main screen using the back arrow at the top left. So let me demonstrate again. See? Arrow. Finally, let me demonstrate the good design practices in my application. First, the instructions. So if we scroll up here, at the top screen, I have a how to use guide that tells users step by step how to use the app. I also have a NISAP information here. NISAP information box explaining what NISAP is and the difference between keep gold and wear gold. Second, the helpful notice here. You can see. I also have tip box telling users where they can check the current gold prices. Now let me show you the error messages. So, for example, I will delete all of this first. So, for example, if I press calculate without entering anything, it shows an error message saying, please enter gold weight. Enter gold weight. So if I enter the weight but leave the price empty, so for example 100 grams, and press calculate, it shows an error. You can see another error message saying, please enter, I'm sorry for that, please enter gold price. Now let me demonstrate the NISAP notice. If I enter a weight below the NISAP, so for example 50 grams for keep gold, which has a NISAP of 85 grams, as you can see, so it is below 85 grams, and press calculate. You see a notice appearing saying your goal is below the NISAP threshold. No zakat is required. All these design practices makes the app user-friendly, informative, and easy to use. Okay, so that concludes my demonstration of the Zakat Hub, Zakat Gold Calculator app. This app successfully implements all three inputs, two outputs, custom themes, and icons. A complete about page with a clickable URL, and a good design practice including error messages, notices, and instructions. So thank you for watching this demonstration, this video. Thank you so much, and Assalamualaikum.